So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the ultra wide camera on your Snapchat on your iPhone or Android. Now it's a pretty basic process, so I'll go and show you how to demonstrate it. And if you don't have this feature, I'll show you how to kind of see if you can get it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make your way over to your specific Snapchat application, and you want to look out for two things. One, on the right side of the panel, you can go ahead like on the fourth option down, you should be able to see this like square thing with like two like arrows coming from the side of it. What you can do is you can go and tap on that, and you should be able to immediately get the ultra wide camera come up like this. So that is the very first basic way of getting about it. Now, if you want, if you go and tap on it again, you'll see it'll basically go back to normal. Now, if you don't have that option, you can also try swiping like this, like almost like zooming out of a specific thing. You can also try doing that on your specific iPhone like this, and you might be able to get it that way too. So you can see with my ultra wide camera, I'm able to, kind of activate it that way as well. So those are the two ways to do it. Now, if you don't see that and if you're not able to do it like that, well, you may want to go and try updating your Snapchat application. So go inside of your app store, just like this. You want to go and click on the search bar, and all you want to do is go and search up Snapchat. So go and type in Snapchat as you normally would. And what you want to do here is you want to click on the application, and you want to see if there's an update available for Snapchat. For a lot of people out there, if you are having some sort of like, outdated version of Snapchat, updating the application will probably end up fixing it for a lot of people out there. So what I'd recommend doing here is just going through, pretty much updating Snapchat, and that might end up giving you that feature. Now, if that's still not working, you may want to make sure you even have an ultra-wide camera on your phone. For some devices out there, you don't have an ultra-wide camera. If we take a look at my iPhone 8 Plus, we do have two cameras, but the other camera is a telephoto lens, which zooms in a lot, but it doesn't allow you to zoom out. So you have to make sure you have some sort of ultra-wide camera, because if you don't, well, that's not really going to work for you. So just kind of keep that in mind. Now, those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.